Alright, for today's list of cats, we're doing the cat with a bird hat. Let's get started. We'll have the bird up here. Cute chubby little bird. Big tail. I'll have his ears folded. I wouldn't imagine he's too happy with the bird on his head. For some reason, the bird just decided to chill there. Looking up at our bird. Feet. Back legs. And tail. Tail isn't quite as poofy as our last cats, but you know, they just kind of end up being that way. Alright. I think we're almost done. Just add in a little bit more detail. And then whiskers. Very nice. And we'll add in the eye for the bird. It's a stupid bird. And then the wing. And he just feels like a Tom. And there you go, cat with a bird hat.